What is margin trading? Trading volume. Foreign exchange market is the largest decentralized market where the volume of daily transactions equals billions of dollars. Start earning on the huge market. The minimum volume of the transaction in the interbank market is too high and is assuredly not accessible for private investors owning small means. Margin trading makes it possible to trade with small funds. What is margin trading? It is simply the execution of transactions, the volume of which exceeds the level of investors' funds. For example, the investor makes a small deposit, and the brokerage company provides him with borrowed funds or leverage, thanks to which he can make large transactions and receive potentially large profits. $100 at 1,100 leverage equals $10,000 available for trading. Trading on margin implies the consecutive performance of two opposite transactions, opening and closing a trading position. In the Forex market, traders do not purchase real currency, they speculate on the rates, predict the direction of the price, and make a profit if the forecast is justified. Trading on margin implies the consecutive performance of two opposite transactions, opening and closing a trading position. In the Forex market, traders do not purchase real currency, they speculate on the rates, predict the direction of the price, and make a profit if the forecast is justified. The volume is set in the base first currency of the instrument. All instruments have a minimum required trading volume. Mainly, position volumes are expressed in lots, while in Netradex trading platform provided by IFC Markets, all positions are expressed in volumes, not in lots. With proper use of leverage, a trader with small funds can open large positions and increase potential profits. However, it is not recommended to use all funds to open one single position if the price moves in the wrong direction. This can lead to a quick loss of the deposit. The bottom line is, using leverage allows you to multiply the funds for trading on Forex, which makes it affordable for everyone. Start earning on the huge market. In terms of money turnover, the Forex market is the leader among all known financial markets. Daily turnover reaches $5.1 trillion.